Hello everyone, I am back again. Me, Singyan Kim, the Math Master, is back again to help you guys with math problems and make you the Math Masters as well. Today, we are going to talk about addition and subtractions including variables. What are variables? Let's start with that. Variables, usually written as x, can replace any number, either 2, 3, 5, 7, 2000. X can be any number that's larger than 2, smaller than 5, anything. And variables usually has number in front of it, called coefficient. And if coefficient isn't written, we automatically assume that the coefficient is 1. What this coefficient means is that we have coefficient many of the variables. So in this case, we have 3x, right? This means that we have, 3 x's. Then, now let's move on to the addition and subtraction, including variables. When we add or subtract variables, we have to see if the variables look the exactly same. It's very important that we add and subtract variables that has only the same symbols or same exponents. In this case, we have x's without any exponents, so they look the same, right? Then we can add or subtract these two variables. When we do, we look at the coefficients. First one, we have 3, and second one, since there is no number, you assume there's 1. Then all we do is we subtract, in this case, the coefficients. So what's 3 minus 1? 2. So the answer to this equation is 2x. What should you do if there are 2 or more kinds of variables in one problem? If you look at this problem, you have x squared and just x. X squared and x are two different things, right? So we have two different variables. In this case, as I talked about, we have to do addition and subtraction between coefficients of the terms that has exactly the same variables. So here we do 4x squared minus 3x squared. So basically x squared, and since 2x didn't have anyone to do addition or subtraction with, we just write it at the end. This was very simple, right? Then, what if 2x did have someone to add or subtract with? Let's say this problem had plus x at the end. In this case, since x and x are exactly same variables, we add 2 to the 1. Remember, no number is automatically assumed as 1. So, if you do 2 plus 1, we get 3, right? So, we get 3x instead of 2x. This is quite simple, right? Yes, variables can have many forms, including x, y, z, a, b, and etc. But don't panic. If you just remember that we should add and subtract coefficients of the exactly same variables, we can solve the addition and subtraction including variables without any problems and very easily, like me. For the next lesson, we'll be covering about multiplication and division of terms including variables. So, I'll see you guys then, and bye bye!